Hey there, today I am going to show you how to use this grip plier. This is a very useful instrument for mechanic to grip anything. Mainly it has three parts, a adjustment screw, a gripping jaw and a grip losing pin. Now I am going to show you how to use this grip plier. Suppose you want to grip this knob, you take your grip plier and open the jaw using this losing screw and also open this handle like this. Pin your gripping jaw on the point where you want to grip. Now by tightening this screw, you can increase the length of this handle, which means you are tightening this so tight. So if you want to tighten it loosely, you have to lose this knob. When you reach your correct length, then pin it up. When you listen this click sound, that means your grip is ready. For opening this, you have to use this losing handle. You can also you cannot open this like this, because if the handle is gripping so tight, then you have to use this knob. By pushing this knob up, you can lose the grip. I can also show you another sample of something. Like you want to grip this point. First you have to adjust your screw. Like first you have to adjust your jaw with this screw. When you reach here, open this handle up. By increasing the length, you can grip it tightly like this. To open it, use this.